Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to enable voice dictation on your iPhone? If so, this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable voice dictation on your iPhone. Now, first, for those of you who don't know what voice dictation is, it's the feature that converts whatever you speak on your screen into digital text. So yeah, let's get started. So first you'll have to open up your settings. And after you open your settings, just go to the general option. Now after you're on general, just scroll down. Now after scrolling down, navigate to the keyboard section. And when you're on keyboards, just scroll down and you'll see the option that says enable dictation. Now I'm going to turn it off for you, and this is what it's going to look like for you guys. So right there, you'll see enable dictation. Toggle this button on and tap on enable dictation. Now after you do that, your feature will get enabled, and now you'll be able to use voice dictation. So yeah, that is basically it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button down below and stay tuned.